Making our way down south to Kennesaw, Georgia. Welcome to another episode of Rollin' with Nick Campus Tours. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and today we are at the Kennesaw State University Kennesaw campus. There's two campuses. We have Marietta and Kennesaw, but today we're at the main campus here in Kennesaw, Georgia. It's a beautiful day out here. So today we're gonna roll around this campus, see what it has to offer, and see if it may be a fit just for you. Now, some facts about Kennesaw State University. According to a recent report, it says it's the second largest campus here in Georgia with approximately 43,000 students. And anything else I need to know? Probably, but I don't know it right now. So yeah, we're gonna roll around this campus, see what it has to offer, and see if it may be a fit just for you. So without any further ado, let's get rolling. Nick, sheesh. This is what happens when you take months off. I don't know what order I'm gonna put this exact video in, but just know I haven't recorded campus tours in months, okay? All right, y'all, so our first stop today is actually one of my favorite places on any campus. This is the James Carmichael Student Center. So this is gonna be where you have your food places. You have Chick-fil-A, Moe's, you have your bookstore, so many different food places. This is where you congregate with your friends, y'all. Like, it's so nice in here. And it's Sunday right now, so it's really slow, but I just heard a young man say, a student say, like, you know, Chick-fil-A long line is usually wrapped around. You got the Moe's here, you got Panda Express, you got Jamba Juice here, and it's 2 levels. Y'all, yes. So right now I'm walking through the Student Learning Center where they have classrooms, group study lounges, they have a Cinnabon. So this campus, I ain't gonna lie to you, it's actually really nice. I ain't gonna hold you, I wasn't expecting this. All right, y'all, so our next stop is gonna be the Student Recreation and Activity Center. So this is where you're gonna have your activity center. You have a pool, you have rock climbing, you have the gym. This is where you're gonna get your fitness in. And they have the outdoor pool as well, but it's cold outside, so that's not open. But it's actually a really nice facility. And what I really like about this college is that it's so easy to maneuver. Like, I know what this is, I know what this is, I know what that is. You know, with some colleges, they're just so big, and I hate touring those, to be honest with you. They're so big that it's like, what am I supposed to do with this? Oh, damn, that was nasty. I can't put that in there. Let's keep going. All right, y'all, so I'm currently walking through University Village Apartments, which is a 6th floor, first year student, first year community. And honestly, y'all, I keep getting impressed and more impressed with this campus. It's actually, I really love the ambiance here. Like, it's this own little college town, which is one of the things I wish Georgia State was, but it's all right, because I got it at Temple, so. Yeah, y'all. Well, y'all, that wraps up our journey here at Kennesaw State University. I hope I was able to help you see if this may be a fit just for you. Like, get it together. It is so hard, and I got people walking by me, so now I'm nervous. But let's try this again. Well, y'all, that ends our journey here at Kennesaw State University. Thank you so much for checking out yet another video with your boy, Nicholas Ramsey. Please, y'all, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content. We have a great season ahead for everybody. And that's a wrap on this episode. So until next time, please, y'all, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.